Narayan Reddy.
Number 4, M.
And
Narayan Reddy.
I will file the paper book by that 10 days time may be granted.
ಇದು ಇವ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ರಾಜು ಲೊಟ್ಟೋದಲ್ಲ.
I have informed him.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೋ ಫೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅರೈವ್ಡ್ ಎಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ RP ನಂಬರ್ 641 of 2013. ಆಯ್ತಾ ರಾಜು? ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಮೆಮೋ ಆಫ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರಂತ ಅಪೀಲು.
Second case.
ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಬರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಏನಿವ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಎ ಮೆಮೋ ಇಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೆಮೋ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾನ್. ಸರಿ ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?
Please.
Till number 4, M. Narayan Reddy.
Yes, Mr. Reddy.
I appeal for appellate, my lord. I will file
ಹೇಳಿ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರೇ.
the paper book ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್. ಪಾರ್ಟೀಸ್
ಯಾವತ್ತಿಂದ 11ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿ ಅಪೀಲು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ 2009
Finally week's time is granted to file the paper books. Release this matter on 27/6.
Till number 5.
Jayakirti, Jayakar Shetty, same order. Jayashree,
Till number 6, G. Jayashree.
none present on behalf of the appellant, same order. A. Ravishankar,
Till number
They have
7.
the needful has been done, madam.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ ಇವ್ರೆ ಆಫೀಸರ್?
We have served the copies to the opposite.
All right. Needful set have been done today. Issue notice to the proposed LRs of R1 returnable by 28/6. R1 and R3. Pundika Ishwar Bhatt,
Till number 8, Pundika Ishwar Bhatt.
amendment ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದಿರ ಈಗ?
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು.
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ. Amendment carried out. See, Ishwar Bhatt submits that he has filed the amend appeal memo in the office. In hearing ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಈಗ?
ಹೌದು.
Post the matter for hearing on 4/7.
Till number 9,
HN Basuraju,
H. N. Basuraju.
none present on behalf of the appellant. IA 1 of 20, the officer has raised objection with regard to IA 1 of 2022 to 3 of 2022, which are filed to bring the legal representative of deceased R1 on record. Finally, 3 days time is granted to the needful, released on 22/6. Swaroop,
Till number 10, T. Swaroop. For the respondent.
none present on behalf of the appellant. Finally, week's time is granted to the needful. Post this matter on 26/6. KH
Till number
Somashekara,
Bhargav G.
Bhargav, needful set have been done today, issue notice. SV Prakash,
Till number 12, S.
counsel for appellant, 6 time, week's time to file paper books. Week's time is granted, released on 26/6. BS Hegde,
delay. Reported before the second report, last occasion in so far as the R1 is concerned, allowed.
allowed.
Yeah, allowed. And
ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ
yeah,
ಯಾರು?
allowed. The R2, LRs, the same day it was reported before the.
All right.
Immediately we have taken.
Notice to issue notice to the proposed LRs of R2. ಅದು ಯಾರು ಆಗಿದಾರಲ್ಲ R2 A.
ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ on record last occasion.
ಇದೆಮ್ಮ?
she was there before the court. She was
ಇದಾರೆ
there before the
no
court.
notice
Correct.
is necessary.
Not necessary.
IA filed to bring the legal representative of the deceased R2, setting aside abatement and condemnation of delay are allowed subject to payment of cost of rupees 1,000 to the Karnataka State High Court Legal Services Committee.
Last time
3,673 ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಇತ್ತು.
ಆಯ್ತು
500
500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟೋದು ಲೀಗಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಿಟಿ
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ.
ISR allowed.
Yes. Recalling is also there. That
Recalling ಏನು?
recalling ಅದೇ ಅವರು ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಎಗನೆಸ್ಟ್.
ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ?
R2 1A ಮೇಲೆ.
ಅಬೆಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಆದ್ರೆ ತಾನಾಗೆ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಹಸ್
ಆಯ್ತು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ISR allowed.
ಮಚ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಬೈ ರೀಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೇಟೆಡ್ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು. ISR allowed. ಮೋಹನ್,
Till number 14, J. R.
This
Mohan.
matter, the IA for notice have been served on the LRs of respond number 2, A, B, and C.
proposed LRs of second respondent are served with the notice remained absent. The application IA 3 of 23, 4 of 23, 5 of 23 are filed to bring the legal representatives second respond. Since right to be sued survives in them, comma, applications are allowed subject to payment of cost of rupees 500 to the Karnataka State High Court Legal Services Committee. First, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇನು steps to R1 ಆಗಿವಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಲೀಗಲ್ ಸರಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 9/11 only they intimated ನನಗೆ ಡಿಲೇ ಬಗ್ಗೆ only when the
If
procedure.
you want to make to allow, I will impose 500.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
Yes.
I'll carry out.
Council to amend the cost title and file amend appeal memo. Murali, sir, steps ತಗೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕಿದೆ.
Third time ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ sir.
Paper publication ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
ಈಗ week accommodation.
Finally, week's time is granted, do the needful, released on 22/6. Hmm.
Yes, sir. Till number 16, B. Shivakumar.
V. Shivkumar, none present, steps are not taken in respect of R1B to E. Finally, week's time is granted to do the needful, 22/6. BM Siddappa,
Till number 17.
My lords, my senior asked me to take time, but can I pray my lords for an adjournment or I can submit my lords?
all right, on behalf of BM Siddappa, time period release the case on 22/6.
Grateful.
P. Nataraju,
Till number 18.
Respondent should take the steps, my lord. Respondent number 2 take the steps, my lord.
Respond number,
I'm for the appellant number 2. Respond number 2 got
As
to be transposed as appellant number 2 months. We have taken steps.
ಯಾವತ್ತು?
Ivattu today.
Needful set have been done today, issue notice.
Name,
Amresh Angdi,
Maharaj, name of appellant number 2 may be reflected in the cause list. That is.
ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲೋ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತಾನೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲೋ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲೋ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Appellant number, name of the appellant number 2, represented by C. GB Shastri be reflected in the cast list.
Great.
Amresh Angdi,
Till number 19, Amresh
For
AMD.
respondent,
ಏನಿದು?
last application pending is.
ಬೇಡ, ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊತ್ತು ಕೂತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅಂಗಡಿಯವರು, ಬಹಳ ಹೊತ್ತು ಕೂತಿದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
TF also furnishing.
All right, week's time is granted, do the needful, 22/6. Pandurang Nayak, Satish Chandra,
Till number
Lot
20.
application and abatement application and limitation application.
ವಕಾಲತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ.
ಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ sir.
ಒಬ್ರೇ ಅಪಲೆಂಟ ಇದ್ರ?
ಒಬ್ಬರೇ appellant.
Sole appellant set have died and applications are filed to bring the legal representative of the deceased sole appellant on record with application for condonation of delay and setting aside abatement. There is a delay of 679 days in filing the appeal. In the application, first, taking note of the fact that right to prosecute the appeal survives in the proposed LRs of the deceased sole appellant, applications are allowed subject to payment of cost of rupees 500 to the Karnataka State Legal Services Committee. Council to amend the cost title and file amend appeal memo. Admission ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Admission.
Post the matter for,
Paper book is been dispensed to you.
all right,
Because only the specific relief.
post the matter for
Hearing.
hearing on 26/6.
26.
Vinod Reddy.